Why are indie game showcases important for esports conventions? Imagine walking into a bustling event filled with the latest in competitive gaming and suddenly discovering a corner dedicated to small, independent developers. This scene captures why indie game showcases are a key part of esports conventions. Indie game showcases are special areas or segments within larger events where independent developers, those not backed by big publishers, display their games. Esports conventions are huge gatherings focused on competitive video games, featuring tournaments, panels, and community activities. While the main focus is often on popular esports titles, indie showcases add a fresh twist to these events. They introduce new, creative games that might not be on everyone's radar. These games often experiment with new mechanics, unique art styles, and fresh stories. Such innovations can influence the esports scene by inspiring new formats or community-driven game modes. Indie showcases also help diversify what people see at conventions. Instead of only watching big tournaments, attendees can try out different types of games and meet the developers behind them. This mix makes the event more lively and inclusive. Supporting indie games also helps grow the gaming community. Many indie titles have passionate, niche groups of fans. Showcasing these games helps those communities expand and brings new voices into the esports world. From a practical point of view, indie showcases can act as testing grounds for future competitive titles. Some indie games are designed with multiplayer or competitive features. By featuring these games at conventions, organizers and players can see what works, give feedback, and spot potential esports contenders. This keeps the industry flexible and responsive to what players want. Indie showcases also create chances for cross-promotion. Esports teams, streamers, and content creators often attend these events. Exposure to indie games can lead to new collaborations, streaming content, or sponsorships, which benefits everyone involved. Lastly, indie showcases fit perfectly with the community spirit of esports. Both scenes thrive on creativity, grassroots support, and player engagement. Including indie games shows that esports events value the full spectrum of gaming, from big-name titles to innovative indie projects. Overall, indie game showcases are vital for esports conventions because they bring new ideas, add variety, support community growth, test future competitive games, open doors for partnerships, and reflected the diverse culture of gaming. For fans and industry folks alike, these showcases are a glimpse into what gaming might look like tomorrow.